how to light a dock. We thought of that before? I'm gonna show you some ideas. First off, gotta give props and a shout out to Todd Albert Construction. Mr. Todd, we'll call him Peaches, helped us out with this. He built this beautiful boathouse and dock, and we helped put in the lighting. So let's show you what we did. All right, so from the lake view, what we did is put those well lights flush up against the rock retaining wall, so we actually can show that wall from the lake view. It's a cool feature. We gotta bring it out. Typically, you're not gonna see lights along the dock, but there's a drop. So what do? We did those lights flush again. And I did that so you wouldn't trip on them or stub your toe, but we did the markers. And the marker over a standard well light is, you can actually look at this and it is completely glare free, but it helps guide you all along the dock. So aesthetically it looks really good, but there's no glare. All right, so besides doing the well light, with the little drop, there's a little overhang underneath. We did a little extra kicker again, right? We did the strip light actually. We did it up underneath the lip, so it gave a glow underneath the dock. So it kind of gives you that floating dock look. And your hippos enjoy it too, and I was actually scared when I first saw those. On top of the boathouse with the railing, we did the deck light. It's called a pull cage, but it means it cuts off the side so it sits on that post. Perfect. But it also gives you the glow all the way around the top deck area. Another little extension to your backyard. So, helps you guide up the stairs, and then opens up to this. All right, thanks for joining me on this project. Until next time, let's enjoy the view from the lake. Oh!